everyone. Welcome back to our channel.
Hello friends.
Today we are in Lake Louise. We are going to do the Lake Agnes trail, which is the high line. It's the Big Beehive and the Little Beehive. It's about 11.7 kilometers.
It's supposed to be a tea house halfway up.
Yeah, so we'll stop there and show you that. And it's about 758 meters high.
It's 6:30 in the morning, 6 degrees, and this parking lot is full. And I think you have to pay to even park here, even on top of the parking pass. So we'll let you guys folks know what the price is and all that. $36 after you purchase a Parks Canada pass. What a glacier. Everybody's up here for the sunrise this morning. One picture, $36. It's the beautiful Lake Louise Chateau. It is a beautiful, beautiful hotel. But I think the minimum price of the rooms are, man, I'm going to say up of 600. But it's pretty beautiful. 600 bucks a night and up. That's what feeds the big Lake Louise. We usually don't do these hikes because of the crowds, but this is pretty spectacular. See, we have kayaks already.
So we'll do this one, Lake Agnes, we'll do Mirror Lake, we'll do the Little Beehive, and we'll do the Big Beehive, because we're overachievers.
In wintertime, you can come here and go skating on the ice.
Yes, we did that a couple of years ago.
Quite enjoyed it.
And they have the ice sculptures.
Oh, that's right, too. Lake Louise is one of the most photographed lakes in the world. I guess you can see why. Picture perfect. Oh, actually, yeah.
That's where we're going to be headed to.
The one that looks like a round beehive. Not the tall one. Unbelievable. No sign of the sun, but it is getting light. Look, Jimmy, like there's two skies. Water's so clear.
We just got a peekaboo of the lake through the trees here on the trail going up. We had to stop and show you. Smell the bread.
Oh,
I think they're baking at the tea house.
this smells delicious. Big Jim's is getting hungry.
No, I might have to have a little snack up here.
It smells like a cinnamon one.
Remember in the wintertime we slid down those stairs on our butt?
Yeah.
It was just all snow.
Beautiful. Here's Lake Agnes.
Okay. Another gorgeous lake. Wow. Just so serene. Yeah.
Sorry, next one. That's completely fine, yes? Card fee. Let me grab the card reader and then I'll get started.
Okay, thank you.
Oh, there you are.
You want to sit here?
No, that's fine.
Oh, I owe you $5.
Or we could sit there together. Oh yeah, so you can do Big Beehive, and then you can go up to Devil's Thumb.
I don't like Devil's Thumb.
You don't like Devil's Thumb?
Well, it's a scramble up.
Oh.
It's like do it. We can do it if you want, but. Well, they got a pot of tea over there.
Yeah, I don't think we need a pot of tea.
A spalt.
A spalt with
And then
a
a
dollop
dollop.
of honey.
A dollop of honey.
Could you imagine having to hike up here when every day to work?
I guess they do, don't they?
Yeah, like how else would they get up here? Yeah, because it says right here, the staff, we carry out all of our garbage and recycle on our backs. Every staff hiking down has to carry at least 2 big bags of garbage and an extra large recycling bag. If you are hiking down early morning or in the evening, you may spot a staff member running down the garbage from the day.
That's crazy. Good for them. Oh,
Perfect.
awesome. Thank you. Beautiful.
Perfect. Thank you so much. Okay.
Oh, you're going all out, eh?
Yeah, I'm treating myself today. Figure a big hike like that, I should be able to. Oh, and a little bit of raspberry jam.
Sugar on top.
Oh, it's got a little sugar on top.
Are they good?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, lovely jubbly.
Oh, cheers, big ears. Oh, that is so good. Agnes. Be nice once the sun, oh yeah, hits that water. It's beautiful. That turquoise color. We have to walk all the way around the lake here to get to the trail, to get up to the Big Beehive. Those tea biscuits were amazing. I got a little sugar rush from the jam.
A little pricey, eh?
Yeah, what did we pay?
$9.
For the tea, 2 tea biscuits and jam, and then 2 teas. The total was $20,
And the tip.
and then we gave a $5 tip.
So that's all we have.
For cash.
For cash, yeah. I'm glad I stashed that in my backpack.
Right there, right there. There's a double stump. That's called the double stump.
That water is just like glass.
When we get up there, we'll get another view of it too.
Yeah.
I don't think we'll be doing the double stump. It is a bit of a scramble at the top. But every time you make a corner, every time you turn a corner, it's beautiful.
Wow. Beautiful.
This is Lake Agnes. We're right at the very end of it, and it is absolutely stunning.
Yeah.
The sun is just about up. We're starting that tea.
This one is Lake Agnes
There's the tea house where we had.
from the top of the Big Beehive.
There's we had tea. Not even that long ago, maybe half hour, 45 minutes ago.
Yeah.
Same here.
And that is Lake Louise. This is like the Disneyland of Alberta. It's where all the people come for a magical experience.
Come on, hon.
Take a picture, you guys?
No, we're just filming a little bit. It's all good. Thank you.
Thank you. Oh,
Gorgeous, eh?
yes.
Love it up here, don't you?
Oh, yeah. So serene. What you doing, hon?
It's hanging on my rock. Have a look at this. Look at the back view of this.
Wow. See the lookout from the Big Beehive. No. I said the Big Beehive. To take shelter from the storms. That's what the explorers did back in the day. The weather can change in the blink of an eye.
Don't ever forget your Leatherman. You always need a Leatherman. It is the real deal, Leatherman.
Hey. Yeah, that wasn't too bad. I think we can scurry up Devil's Son.
Maybe some other time.
Oh, I forgot. I brought me chocolate.
Can I have a piece?
No. And I didn't bring your nuts either.
Usually she has them in her purse.
Is that a ski hill over there?
Yeah, it's called Lake Louise. It's one of the most famous in the world.
I'm not a skier.
Okay, I want chocolate.
No, you're not getting any. You don't like it.
I do like it.
Mm-mm.
Again, I'm drinking a Gatorade that I'm not sponsored by. But hopefully one day.
Those are called shameless plugs.
That's terrible chocolate.
Then don't eat it. Hi. Seems a bit hazy today.
Yeah, it does. Smoky.
Well, you can't smell the smoke though. It just seems like the sun isn't quite breaking through that haze. On our way down now. We're going down a different way than when we came. We had a little argument about doing Devil's Thumb.
I wanted to and she didn't.
No, the opposite, I think, but he's probably right. It's probably a lot in one day. So,
No, it's the elevation and she'll be mad when we're coming down.
he's probably right. So this path here on the way down is a little less traveled. So we decided to take it and it'll bring us out at the lake and then we'll get a walk around the lake there. So once we get down there, I'll show you what the lake looks like from this side. Oh, sun. Oh, Mr. Sun. Sun. Mr. Golden Sun. Please shine down on me. Forrest, run, Forrest, run! These views never get old, let me tell you. Each and every time, they just get more beautiful, I think. Or maybe as we get older, we just appreciate it more. Okay, yes. This is our sign here.
We got 4.7 kilometers. Actually, this is a longer way.
Yeah, I feel like it is. Beautiful. Okay, so we just come off the High Line. You're a nut.
That's called a cameo.
The High Line connector. And now we're headed down to the lake.
Lake Louise. 3.8.
I want to watch you walk on water. Okay, so I just looked up exactly why this water is so blue, and it says the fine dust, rock dust produced by massive glaciers rubbing against bedrock stays suspended in the water, reflecting light and creating the turquoise colors. So Marine Lake and Lake Louise are known for along so many other great glacier lakes for having this turquoise colored water. We have little benches along this path for people to just come and sit and enjoy. There's lots of people that stay at the hotel, the Chateau Lake Louise. and then just come out for their daily walks. You see those ones that have the Canada flag?
Oh,
Yeah, kind of cool though. Boathouse is open from 8:30 a.m. to 7 p.m. The rentals are 30 minutes, $150, 1 hour, $165. So it looks like there's a shuttle from here to Marine Lake 2 times a day, 4 a.m. and 5 a.m., probably for sunrise. And then here's where we paid our 30, how much was it, Jimmy? 36? $36 parking fee. You just have to remember your license plate. And they must make a millions.
Teaching Lisa a little bit how to run this camera. We were able to do some walking and tell you about our hike. It was incredible. It was a beautiful hike. What do you think?
Yeah, no, the color of the water is absolutely gorgeous. And the hike, yeah, the views were amazing. I don't know, for today I felt really strong, so it didn't feel like a lot of work for like a huge reward.
It was beautiful. 3 lakes at once. Tea. We haven't had tea before.
Yes.
Now, so that was nice.
Let's have tea.
Anyways, if you like this video or how to giggle in any way, please hit the subscribe button and the like button and join us for some more adventures as we're training for Nepal. So I guess what's okay to let people know, in the end of October, we're going to be leaving for Nepal to hike to the Everest Base Camp. So that's why we're doing all this training. We thought we'd just take you along for a ride. Anyways, well, my friends, ciao.
Toodles.